Good morning, students. Today we have to start with the next chapter, that is physical and chemical changes. We know that changes is an important feature of nature. Okay. So every moment several changes are taking place around us, and these changes are exciting and they generate in us the curiosity to know the reason behind each of them. We see a various number of changes around us, and these changes is bringing the curiosity. Okay, we want to know the reason behind each and every type of change around us. Some of the common changes which we see around us, or we see in our nature or in surrounding, like change of day and night. You see here, this is the change of time. There is change of day and night. There is the change of climate. There is the change of rainfall, melting of ice, freezing of water, growth of plants and animals, digestion of food, burning of fuel, ripening of fruits, cooking of rice, formation of curd from milk, rusting from iron, and etc. Okay, so let's begin. What are the indicators of changes? How you will observe that the change has occurred? So if there is change in the color, it means change has occurred. Like in this is the raw mango and this one is the ripe mango. What you observe in this change? There is change in color, that is green when it is raw and yellow when it is ripe. Okay. Then there is change in the shape. For example, when or shape or size. When you plant a seed, what you observe, there is change in the shape as well as there is change in the size. Then next is the change in the hardness and state. For example, when you freeze the water, when the water is in the liquid state, when it is frozen, it turns into its solid state. So there is change in state, that is from liquid to solid state. And when it is liquid, it is not so hard, but when it is solid in the form of ice, it is hard. So there is change in the hardness also. Then there is change in the position. When the earth rotates and revolves around the sun, it changes its position. So these are the various types of changes which we see around us. Okay, so this is all for today. Your homework is to write down the indicators of changes around to you. Okay, and give one example of each type of indicator. Okay, thank you everyone.